Hi there, it's Abby from the Christian Police Association, and I'm going to be starting a new series which we've called Sound Bites. And the idea came to me recently when I was listening to some worship music, and I listened to some music and I realised how the lyrics were weaving in verses from the Bible, and I'm sat there trying to guess which verse is that from the Bible. So I thought it'd be really good if we could focus in on some worship songs and pick out some of the Bible verses and passages that are being used in the lyrics of the song. And this week it will be Jireh. So we're going to be looking at Jireh. Jireh meaning God will provide. And the first time that Jireh is used in the Bible is in Genesis 22. And we read the story of Abraham being commanded by God to take his son Isaac to the mountain to sacrifice him. However, because Abraham acted in faith that God would provide, God provided the miracle in the form of a ram caught in a thistly hedge, and the lamb becomes the substitute for the provision. So the lyrics in Jireh, what I absolutely love is kind of the repetitive nature of it. And the first little bit I was going to show you today was the lyrics of within Jireh. It says, "You are Jireh, you are enough." And it repeats it, "Jireh, you are enough. I will be content in every circumstance. You are Jireh, you are enough." Have a listen, see what you think.
Jireh, you are enough. Jireh, you are enough. And I will be content even in every circumstance. You are Jireh, you are enough.
And then the song after the chorus moves on to a verse, and it reads like this. It says, "If he dresses the lilies with beauty and splendour, how much more will he clothe you? If he watched over every sparrow, how much more does he love you?" And it leads me to this verse in the Bible. It's Matthew 6, verses 26 to 28. And it says, "Look at the birds of the air. They do not sow or reap or store away in barns, and yet your heavenly Father feeds them. Are you not much more valuable than they? And why do you worry about clothes? See how the flowers in the field they grow. They do not labour or spin. Yet I tell you that not even Solomon in all his splendour was dressed like one of these. And this is how God clothes the grass of the field, which is here today and tomorrow, and is thrown into the fire. Will he not much more clothe you, you of little faith?" And I just love that. Like, sometimes we feel small and insignificant, don't we? And knowing that God looks after and you know, gives beauty to the flowers, and he looks after the sparrows, it makes me feel like of importance. And I know that I am a child of God when I listen to these lyrics. And then the song moves on and it summarises with, "It's more than you ask, think or imagine. According to his power, it's working in us. It's more than enough. It's more than you ask, think or imagine, according to his power working in us." And it takes me back to Genesis 22 again. And I'm pretty sure that Abraham didn't think that God was going to show up and interject and change what he thought was going to happen, and that his son was going to be sacrificed. But it was more than Abraham imagined. And I think that often happens in our lives. God's working and planning and doing things that we never thought would happen. It's more than we think or imagine, or more than we've even asked for. God proves that he is always good to us, even when we least expect it. So I hope you've enjoyed unpicking that song with me today, and we'll do another one really soon. But I definitely recommend listening to the full song. It is amazing. Have it blasting out in your house. It's a really good worship song. Have a lovely, lovely day. Take care and God bless.